When there are questions about a police encounter, video can shed light on what went down. And some agencies are transparent,
Get on the ground!
routinely releasing footage of critical incidents like officer-involved shootings. But at many other departments, that's anything but the case.
You will never see that video.
Just ask John Gray.
That video's never going to see the light of day.
He routinely documents police activity on his social media page, Brazoria County Scanner. And sometimes his followers ask for help.
A citizen had reached out to me.
Like a woman pulled over for running a stop sign in Angleton. She told Gray that police searched her car without cause, and so he requested the body cam video.
I didn't get anything.
Why not? In Gray's request and 10 others last year, City of Angleton attorneys told the Texas Attorney General's office they don't have the technological capability to redact confidential information in police videos. The AG's response? The department must withhold the video in its entirety.
They say transparency. It's the illusion of transparency.
So let's put this into context. You could have a 15-minute long police video and just a 15-second shot of, say, a driver's license or license plate. Those images are confidential under Texas law. If police cannot blur them out, they don't have to release anything, and the public is left in the dark.
They're gaming the system.
Joe Larson is a veteran First Amendment attorney.
That is exactly what's happening here.
KHOU 11 Investigates discovered last year the Attorney General sided with 120 Texas agencies that denied nearly 600 requests for police body cam, dash cam, and other videos because of no redaction capabilities. And in many of those cases, the AG based its ruling on a decision from 1983, back in the day of VHS tape.
Astonishing. Ridiculous.
Ridiculous, Larson says, because nowadays
it's the easiest thing in the world to manipulate video. In fact, I just Googled the types of services that are available. It's ubiquitous. It's everywhere.
But agencies like Angleton Police continue to claim they can't. In the year 2024, why doesn't this department have software to redact videos?
It's really expensive for us to get.
Angleton Chief Lupe Valdez showed us a quote from their body cam vendor, more than $14,000.
Budget-wise, it's not in our budget to do that.
But there's this body cam video Angleton Police released a few months ago of a crash where officers heroically pulled the driver out of the burning car. And look, portions are blurred.
How were you able to redact the video in that case?
We paid somebody to do that.
So let me get this straight. When your officers are heroes, you find a way to release it, but when your officers are scrutinized, you find a way to withhold it?
No, sir.
That's what happened here, Chief.
No, sir.
Then why not release it in the other cases?
We go by what our attorney tells us to do. We're not trying to hide nothing from anybody.
You can't have it both ways.
For Attorney Larson, a director with the Freedom of Information Foundation of Texas, it all comes down to this.
They're avoiding scrutiny. They're avoiding the public actually knowing what's going on. There's no other way to put it, and the Attorney General is letting them get away with it.
Larson says the Attorney General's office should make agencies come up with a cost estimate to redact video, even if they have to hire the job out. He says under Texas open records laws, that is clear and required.